Good morning, students. Today we'll be discussing about deserts which are present on Earth. So far, the deserts are concerned. More than one third of the Earth's land surface is covered by near deserts or true deserts. Here, I want to add that more than one third of Earth, Earth's land surface is covered by deserts. Deserts are places. What are deserts? Deserts are those places that hardly get any rain each year. So we can say that hardly deserts are getting rain. Because of less rain, survival becomes very difficult and people have to be really tough. Scarcity of water is there. Deserts are areas with miles after miles of sand, backward earth, and barren rocks. If there is very less rain, or we can say that water scarcity is there, so vegetation is also scant. Only a few thorny types can survive here, which you are watching on the screen. So today we'll be discussing about some of the species that are found in desert. So far your book is concerned, we'll be discussing about 5 species of the which are present on the desert. Number one, we are having barrel cactus. We'll be discussing this is barrel cactus. Then we'll be discussing fish hook cactus. This is fat sand rand, fennec fox, and sheep, which is called the camel, which is called the sheep of the desert. One by one we'll be briefing them. This is barrel cactus. It is that cactus during rain which expands during rain and stores water in the spongy tissues or plates. It shrinks during the dry season. So the quality of this cactus is that when there is rain in the desert, it expands and stores the water, and when it is dry season, it shrinks. So this is called a barrel cactus. Next is fish hook cactus. This is again another type of cactus which is called a fish hook cactus. It has hook shaped spines all over which help it divert heat. So it diverts the heat. Next is fat sand rat. It belongs to the rat category. Its efficient kidneys obtain water from the leaves of salt bushes. So he is having the quality that he can obtain water from the leaves of salt bushes. So he is less dependent on rain, or we can say the water, because uh, he obtains it from the bushes. So he is surviving on the desert. Next is fennec fox. The desert fox has a sandy coat which allows it to blend in the desert vegetation and also reflect the sunlight during day and conserve heat at night. Again, he is having the quality, he reflects the sunlight during the day and conserve heat at night. He is called the fennec fox. Next, very popular, very famous, he is the sheep of the desert. It stores fat in its hump, hence he is not in great need for several days of water. So when he stores it in his hump, he stores fat in his hump, then slowly after several days he can go for the drink, he can go for the water. So he is also able to survive in the desert for several days. He can live without water. These are the 5 species which have. There are several other species also which survives on the desert. The only thing for species which are surviving on the desert is that either they stores the water, or they need very less amount of water. So those species which need very less amount of water, or which can store water for several days, they only can survive in the desert easily. Thank you.